Trillions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi inhabit our bodies, and keeping a balanced relationship with them benefits our health. Collectively, these organisms form the gut microbiome, a complex ecosystem that carries out essential functions. The bacteria in our gut help break down food that the body cannot digest, produce vital nutrients, regulate the immune system, and defend against harmful pathogens. While we haven't pinpointed the exact combination of beneficial bacteria needed for optimal gut health, we do know that maintaining a diverse range of bacterial species is key to a healthy microbiome. Many factors influence our microbiomes, including our environment, medications like antibiotics, and even how we were born, whether by C-section or not. Among these, diet is emerging as a key factor in gut health. While we can't control all of these influences, we can actively shape our microbiome by being mindful of what we eat. Dietary fiber from foods such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, legumes, and whole grains provides the best fuel for gut bacteria. When bacteria break down fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids, which support the gut barrier, enhance immune function, and help reduce inflammation, lowering the risk of cancer. The more fiber you consume, the more fiber-digesting bacteria colonize your gut. In a recent study, scientists swapped the regular high-fiber diets of a group of rural South Africans with the high-fat, meat-heavy diets of a group of African Americans. After just 2 weeks on the high-fat, low-fiber Western-style diet, the rural African group experienced increased colon inflammation and a drop in butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid believed to reduce the risk of colon cancer. Conversely, the group that switched to a high-fiber, low-fat diet saw the opposite effect, with reduced inflammation and improved gut health. On the other hand, foods high in dairy fat, such as whole milk and sugar-sweetened sodas, have been linked to a decrease in gut microbial diversity. The way food is prepared also plays a role. Fresh, minimally processed foods tend to contain more fiber and provide better fuel for gut bacteria. Lightly steamed, sautéed, or raw vegetables are generally more beneficial than fried options. Certain preparation methods can even introduce beneficial bacteria, known as probiotics, into your gut. Fermented foods, rich in probiotics like lactobacillus and bifidobacteria, are a prime example. Originally developed as a way to preserve food before refrigeration, fermentation remains a global tradition today. Foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, tempeh, and kombucha add variety and vitality to our diets. Yogurt is another fermented food that can introduce beneficial bacteria into our gut. However, not all yogurt is equally beneficial. Brands high in sugar and low in bacterial content may not provide the same health benefits. These are general guidelines, though, and more research is needed to fully understand how different foods interact with our microbiomes. While we observe positive correlations, the gut is a challenging environment for making direct observations. So much remains to be learned.